Hello guys, welcome to DataTech Info channel, and today we will be solving the third problem of Leetcode in Java. So let us begin with the problem statement. So today we will be solving this problem that count elements with maximum frequency. So let us understand the problem statement. You are given an array nums consisting of positive integers. Okay, it means it will not contain any negative integers. Return the total frequencies of elements in nums such that those elements all have the maximum frequency. Means we need to calculate the frequency of each element and calculate the maximum element with the maximum frequency, and we should return the total number of elements whose frequency is equal to that of the maximum frequency. And the frequency means that the occurrence of the each element. So we will be solving this problem using the brute force method. First we will initialize an array new int whose size will be the maximum, means size will be equal to the maximum element of the given array, because we need to store the frequency in that particular respective index plus 1. So finding the maximum element is bit tedious, so let us take help of ChatGPT to get the inbuilt method. So give me inbuilt method in Java to find the maximum element in array. So it has given me this, so let us copy this, Control C and paste it here, Control V. Nums. We can also use array list instead of array, but I will be going with array. So we should find this plus 1 because the array will be from 0 index, so plus 1. Now as we have initialized the array, let us find the frequencies for each element. For int I is equals to 0, I less than nums dot length and I plus plus. Here simply we will be incrementing I plus plus. This line will increment, for example, we'll understand this with example. When we'll encounter 1, I is equals to 0 means 1 element, so it will increment nums of I means 1, a of 1 means in the first index of array a, it will increment with 1. So when we encounter 2, it will increment the second index with 1. Then again 2 means it will be second index will now become 2, and when with 3 it will 1, and 1 again 2. So like this we will increment and find the frequencies. So we will as we require the total number of elements whose frequency is equal to maximum, so we need to sort this frequency array. We will be using simple arrays dot sort a. As we have sorted the array, we will be returning the maximum the elements at the last, so we will be iterating maximum elements. I is equals to 0, I less than a dot length. As we are iterating in a array, so we will be using a dot length, not nums dot length. Sorry. We should initialize with, we should start from last index, therefore a dot length minus 1 up to 0 till it is greater than 0, because we will be comparing two adjacent elements. So if, and we should take int maximum frequency, the number of elements with maximum frequency. First initialize with 0, then starting from the last index, we will go on comparing the element next to it, before it. A of I is equals to a of I minus 1, then simply increment max plus plus, and after else break. So, and at last return maximum into a of a dot length minus 1. We are not simply returning maximum but multiplying with the frequency of the last element, because they have asked the total number of elements having the maximum frequency. In the first example, we have only 1 and 2. 1 will have the 2 frequency and 2 will also have the 2 frequency. Therefore, we should return 4, because 1 frequency of 2 plus frequency of 2 plus frequency of 1. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So we will be multiplying the frequency with the maximum number of elements having the maximum frequency. So let us see whether it will work. It has given the wrong answer. Let's see what's the answer. 2 4. Yes, first of all we need to initialize this to 1. Then because suppose take example of 3 elements having the maximum frequencies. So first we will compare the last element with this, then our max will become 2, and then with this and this second and first, therefore max will become 3. So we should initialize max with 1, not 0. Now I guess it will correct, it will give the correct answer. Yes, it has given. It is totally brute force, so it will not efficient, or the time complexity will be more. Yes, it will only beat 11.07%. So thank you. This is it for today. Hope you find it good. So do hit a like button and share.